Say hello, Marina.
Hello.
Hello. So now we are in front of the Cafe Esplanade in Palmerston North, New Zealand. And Little and I am going to show you guys what are there, what you expect to see and what we're going to buy. So she might buy some food from the shops. And we also show you what the Esplanade looks like in the spring 2023. So here we go. It's such beautiful views and natures in here. So now we're going to show you what's up there around here, around the garden. To be honest, it's very beautiful. So Little Anna is going to be your tour guide today, basically. And it's closing, is it? Oh, it's opening, yeah. So yeah, we're going to have a look inside. And Anna's going to buy some food. Probably the same. So she wants to buy. Let's see. Open it. Open it. Hold your food.
I want to eat it in the pasta.
You want to eat in here? I'll sit down.
I don't want money. I want to sit here. Dad.
Wait, I pay the money first. Wait, stay here.
Daddy, I have money.
Huh?
I have money. I have money.
I cannot open it. Use, okay. Yummy?
I'm thirsty, Daddy. I'm thirsty.
Oh, thirsty?
Yeah.
No, you need to finish first. We got some water at the car.
I want to see birds.
Huh?
I want to see the animals when I'm done with my yogi park. So that's a girl.
What's that one? Yummy? Hmm? So now we come from we finish our food and Anna is going to show you some of the birds. Are you ready to show us some birds, Anna?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So we got a lot of birds down here in the Esplanade. So people who want to come here and visit, Anna can make your tours. Anna, are you ready?
Yeah.
Go over there. We got some parrots. We got some. Go over there, Anna. Go. Let's go. Hurry up. Just keep running and see what we got in here. We've got big birds up there, Anna. Big bird. Look at that, big birds. Jump.
Nice to have that one, Daddy.
What's that?
Let's go have that one.
The school have that one.
Yeah.
What's it called?
Cookie.
Cockatiel. Oh, look at that. They're coming now. Look at it. They're coming.
Beep, beep. Oh, too scary.
No, not scared. Go. Not scared. They're smart one.
Where's the one?
They're very smart one. See?
Where is the big one?
The big one up here.
Uh,
Here we go. Oh, he's hiding. Big one is called the Bubs. He's hiding up there.
why he likes to eat some food?
Aye.
There's nothing over there.
Nothing
Those
over
are
there.
The animals. Where are them?
Hmm?
Where are them?
You look beautiful in there. Look at your sunglasses. Beautiful. So go over there. Go over there.
Where's no more?
Got some more over there. Go some more over there. Oh, look at this one. This one does a lot.
Daddy, let's go over there.
Aye.
He's a little kid.
A little one.
Yeah, kid.
See, it's pink.
And he's good.
Aye.
Daddy. Beautiful.
Beautiful, Aina. I hope everyone will hear. They can hear the voice, the noise of the birds here. Keep crying. The birds are crying, and what's it called, Aina? This one is called this one. Peach face lovebird.
Daddy, that name is Turkey. I saw Turkey, Daddy.
You stop what?
I saw Turkey.
You stop talking.
Yeah. That Turkey is up there.
Oh, Talkie is up there.
Yeah.
Hello, Talkie.
Yeah. His name is Turkey. I see. Where is? I saw some more.
Where did you see?
Harry Potter,
Hmm?
Brother,
It's hard to see, everyone.
and
Basically, it's pretty hard to see. But when you see, it's hard to show you up here because a lot of, see here, it's hard when I put it down.
Kiki.
I want to show you the real birds up there, but it looks like it's very hard. So we really apologize for that too. But just to be honest, we got a lot of birds here. It's coming from different places in New Zealand. And I think they take some of those birds up here. That's because they want to make sure that they have enough food to eat.
Daddy, look.
What's that?
I don't know.
This one is called
Potty.
Bukarira.
Kukuria.
Kukarira, I don't know what's called.
It's
called
Bucheriga. That means talkie. Talkie, because I talk.
Talkie. Because they're talking like in there. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's get dry soon. Okay, you go up there. Another one. What are these one? Why they put up here?
Nothing.
It's nothing here.
What is this, Daddy?
Hmm?
What is this? What is this, Daddy?
That's bird nest.
Yes.
Yes, where you can put the birds in here. You go over there. You got some more. See, the swimming pool is going to open soon in summer. So we wait for summer, okay?
Yeah. And one spot is done.
Hmm?
There's nothing here and nothing here. Nothing here.
Nothing here?
Yeah, what is that? That's the garden, Daddy.
That's the garden.
That's the bird garden.
Okay.
And
Alright.
talkie.
And you can see talking.
Yeah.
So this one is called Indian Rose Ring Parakeet. So now Anna is going to show you some more in the walking in the forest.
No, I'm scared.
You're scared? You walk up here, nothing scared. See? People like to walk like that too. A beautiful walking. Let's go. Beautiful walking and biking. What's that?
That's shadow.
Hmm? Shadow.
Yeah, a shadow with us, Daddy.
Hmm?
Look, Daddy, you.
Where is me?
You have a shadow too.
I have a shadow, and you have shadow too, see? And I have shadow too.
I think the shadows are following us, Daddy.
Hmm?
I couldn't.
What is tree? This one is called Noto fungus.
No,
It's called black beech.
beach.
Black beech.
Where is it?
This one.
Where's the black beach?
This one is called black beech.
But these are black beach over there.
What's that?
These are black beach over there.
Mm-hmm.
These are black beach.
Let's go.
These are black beach, Daddy.
Yeah.
These are black beach.
The one.
I want to pet the dog.
I'm sorry, love. No, she's a very old dog.
She's very old dog,
And he
that's
doesn't
why.
really. He might be a bit grumpy with little girls.
Okay, that's why.
All right.
But it's
Okay.
really good that you asked.
Lovely. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's go, Ina. Let's go. You reckon we got lost, Ina?
Yeah.
We're gonna get lost in the forest. Oh no, how we got lost?
I know we can go back here.
Ina, up there. Go up there, son. This one, that one is forest. Go up here. Go walk on the trail. This one, go on the train street. Here.
See, I saw the ant. We can't.
Why you can't?
Because we go and see the ant. So we can't go. And
Why we not can go?
We can go far away to the junction and back to the road.
Huh?
We took away and we won.
And you won.
Yeah, we won.
Oh, ain't that bird? That's a bird. I saw this bird here. See? It's flying. It's a flying. Why is it flying bird? Come here. Where is our car? We get lost in the forest.
Yeah, but how we
Who? What is one? Nothing. Don't watch it. Because it's nothing here. So dark. Cannot see it.
It's the forest.
Hmm?